Okay, so yesterday, last class, we did 6 and 7 for this test portion. One more question is there, 8. Let us do that today. Okay, so let me read the question for us. B8 class 9 maths, page 118. Okay. Prove that a triangle must have at least 2 acute angles. The word acute there means the angle must be less than 90 degree. The exact definition for acute angle is an angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90. Okay, less than 90 is greater than 0 is called acute. So this is saying, okay, let us write here in our own way. Given to us is a triangle ABC. Then we have to prove according to the question statement that here at least 2 angles of this triangle ABC must be acute. Acute means the 2 angles must be less than 90 degree. Otherwise, it cannot be a triangle. That's what they're saying. So let us try to prove that by taking some assumptions. In the case 1, let us say 2 angles are 90 degree each. So let us take our assumption opposite to what must be the condition for a triangle, that is 2 must be acute. We're just going opposite to that, contradicting that the 2 angles are instead 90, which is not acute. Okay, so let's say for our specific case, let's say this angle B here and angle C are 90 degree each. So we are taking a case where 2 of the angles of this triangle are supposed to be 90 and see whether it's correct or not. If it's correct, then at least 2 angles must be acute is not true. But if it's not true, then still this stands. In that kind of a manner, by taking each cases that are opposite to this condition, we are trying to prove that this is true. Okay, so let us write here now. Now we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree, simply because we know sum of angles, that means the 3 angles of a triangle or any triangle, always equal to 180. We learned this theorem in our first class. Let's just keep this as a question 1 and then proceed. Angle A just as it is, and our case 1 assumption B is 90, C is 90. So let's 90 plus C also 90, let us say. If that is so, then as we continue, angle A will be here 180 degree. Just shortening the step, okay, which is okay if you understand. Plus 90 is, yes, that's right, plus 180. So you shift that side, becomes minus 180 degree. So angle, if B and C are 90, then we are getting that angle A must be equal to 0, right? So we see that, okay, we see that if angle B and angle C are 90 degree each, then angle C becomes equal to 0 degree here, comma, which is not possible. Okay, or in which case, or which is not possible, if you want to write like that, because angle of a triangle cannot be 0 degree. So this assumption is wrong, that in any case 2 angle of a triangle can never be 90, because if such is the case, the third angle is coming out 0 degree, and we know that a triangle cannot have 0 degree angle inside. So this is not possible. So because angle of a triangle cannot be 0 degree, so this contradicts our assumption. So this does not agree with the condition of a triangle. So let us take case 2. So we are done with case 1, and we know no triangle can have at the same time two angles 90 degrees each. Impossible. Case 2 is, let us say, two angles are obtuse. The word obtuse here means greater than 90 degree, less than 180. To be just on the practical side, you can just say greater than 90. Okay, so let's take some real numbers. Let's say two of the angles B equal to more than 90. That means obtuse, meaning is more than 90, and angle C also more than 90 degree this time. Such a case, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree, because we are using equation number 1, which already sum of three angles. So we're going to get here angle A plus B is value more than 90 degree, plus C is also more than 90 degree. So these two together, more than 90 equal to 180 degree. So we'll use our common sense here. If B is more than 90 means 90 plus 90, 180. So this 2B plus C is going to come out as more than 180. 90 plus 90, 180, but both are more than 90, so the exact value, even if you don't know, surely it will be more than 180, and this equal to 180 degree. So we're going to get A equal to 180 degree, plus go that side, minus more than here 180 degree. Now you know here 180 minus more than 180 will come out as a negative angle. Negative, because if this minus and 190, then minus 10, something like that comes out. So we can continue. Case 1 done. So just wrap it out, then we can write here. So we see, we can just go by the same fashion. We see that if angle B and C are more than or are obtuse. Are obtuse means more than 90. Obtuse, then angle C is negative angle. Okay, which is not possible. Again, which is not possible because angle of a triangle cannot be 0, we know, but angle of a triangle cannot be negative also. So this assumption that two angles are more obtuse, more than 90, is also not possible in a triangle. So let us go to case 3. Okay, case 3. Now we have taken first two of them 90 degrees, second one two obtuse. Now let us take one angle is 90 degree and the other obtuse. So first case both 90, second case both obtuse, third case 190, the other obtuse, another possibility. So let's say angle B is 90 degree and angle C is more than, obtuse means more than 90 degrees. So one angle here we see is, here is 90 and the other is obtuse, more than 90. So let's just try to put that. Angle A, okay, you can do like this also, is equal to 180 degree. Then we can shift this reason you can write since using equation 1. Plus go that side, become minus, and bracket is there. B plus, since we haven't removed the plus, will be still there. this also, it makes it easier for you in the next step. So let us go about that. Now how about this? Now 180 minus B is 90 degree plus this is more than, C is more than 90. So common sense, we're going to get here 180 degree. So 90 and more than 190 means minus, together 90 plus 90, 180 more, so more than 180, more than 180 degree. So if this angle is this value is greater than this, then it will come out negative angle again. Okay, so we can write here. So we see that if B equal to 90 degree and C is obtuse, means more than 90, then angle C, then angle C is negative. Not C here. Previous case, this should be A. Okay, sorry. A. You correct, go back and correct. A is negative again, which is not possible because angle of a triangle cannot be negative again. So case 3 also not possible. Now let us go to case 4. Finish this one writing. Okay, finish writing. Now case 4 is, first case we took, okay, write down. First case we took two of them 90. That is also not possible. If two angles are 90, the third angle becomes 0 and angle of a triangle cannot be 0 degree. Second case, both are obtuse, then the angle turns out to be negative. Third case, one is 90, the other is obtuse, then also the third angle A becomes negative. So this is not possible. So first three cases are not possible. Two angle in triangle 90 degree, not possible. Two angles obtuse, not possible. One angle 90 degree and the other one obtuse, also not possible. So let us just try case 4. Okay, where according to this condition, two angles are acute. Let us say acute means less than 90. So let's say angle B equal to less than 90 degree. Angle C is also equal to less than 90 degree. This time both are acute. Now, let's see whether this is possible or not. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Because we know that sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. Right, so here let us do like this, A, and shift this one, the whole thing 180, then shift this side, then minus, bracket is there, so inside the sign will not change, B plus angle C. Okay, so here 180 degree minus, this is less than 90 plus less than 90. So common sense evaluation we are going to have to do 180 minus less than 90. Less than 90 means suppose 80, 80, 160 or anything like that, then be less than this number. So total will be less than 180 for sure. So if this is 180 and this is less than 180, the value will be positive angle will come out like 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, which is very possible in a triangle, right? So we see that if B is less than 90 and C is also equal to less than 90 degree, then angle A is positive angle, which is possible. Now third angle, first two angle less than 90 means third angle also positive. So that is very much possible in a triangle. All the three angles in a triangle are positive, right? Possible because angle of a triangle has positive value. So you can write that one down. Hence, you can write in there, hence, at least, we have proved now, at least 2 angles of a triangle must be always acute. Then only you can satisfy the condition for a triangle. I hope that makes you clear about it, right? Okay, now you can go and give the test.